Hey everyone, it's Monday and we are going to do a mantra instead of a mudra. Now, mantras are basically just sounds, words, phrases that we can chant over and over again that will put us into that meditative state. So, a mantra can be pretty much anything, and if we look at it related to affirmations, how we can say something over and over again and it kind of affirms things for us, kind of gets situated or becomes part of our being when we chant these affirmations. However, with mantras, we want to select something that isn't doesn't have a whole lot of meaning to us. So something like I love myself. Well, that might not resonate with you and you will doubt that. And so that mantra isn't a good place to start, because if you don't believe in that, then it's not going to serve the purpose of getting yourself into that meditative state, because you're going to overthink it. So with the mantra, we want to have something that we aren't so attached to, something like Om, or even chanting peace or chanting love. Then those words, because there's just one words, they don't have a lot of meaning behind them aside from what their meaning is. So if you're not being too attached to that word, then go ahead and chant it. So something like Om is pretty innocuous, where you can chant it and it doesn't bring up these memories or thoughts or anything like that that might keep you out of that state of meditation. So Om is essentially the sound of the universe, and there's some history behind the meaning of Om and the symbol and everything, but we'll get into that another time. But if you're chanting something like that, or Om Shanti Shanti, like I said, peace or love, just make sure that you are getting into the heart center when you are chanting that, and allow that word to have a resonance to it. So, like Om. Om. There's a vibration to it. There's a sound to it, a frequency to it, and that frequency can put us into that meditative state. So when you are chanting these words, make sure that you have that frequency, that vibration, that sound with it. Even with peace, just allow that to flow, allow that sound to flow out. Close your eyes, get into your heart space, and just allow that word to flow out with that frequency, with that sound. So give that a try. You can try that, like I said, find a word, whatever is going to work for you. And you might want to play around with that a bit, but don't overthink it. Just get into that feeling space of feeling good. So I hope this helped you today, and I'll see you next time.